Do you know about our newly launched MLB Tool? It is a pro tool for MLB, supporting adding keys for Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen, Lamborghini, Bentley, and other MLB vehicle models. In the last video, we showed you how to use MLB Tool plus KeyTool Plus. Today, we'll continue using the Audi A4L as an example to walk you through the entire process of using MLB Tool plus VVDI Tool. So without further ado, let's dive in and unlock the secrets of MLB Tool. Ready? Let's roll! Connect MLB Tool to the computer. Put the key on the identification area of MLB Tool, then enter the MLB software for operation. Note that the original car key has already been connected to the MLB cable. If they are not connected, the original car key needs to be placed on the identification area, and you need to identify the key. Refer to the diagram to complete the connection. Collect key data. Select the method for collecting data as needed. This process does not require onboard collection, and the calculation will be automatically performed after the collection is completed. Server calculation is successful. Click OK for verification. Collection completed. Save the data. The data can be used to make dealer keys and learn keys. Let's use VVDI for key learning now. Turn on the ignition switch. Connect the vehicle to VVDI2. Connect VVDI2 and the computer. Keep the key close to the sensing coil. Open VVDI to software and select the corresponding vehicle model, Audi. Select Key Learn, choose MLB Immobilizer System. Read vehicle information. Tap on Key Learning and load IMO data. Tap on OK to start Key Learning. Put the second key near the car ignition switch. Tap on OK. All keys are successfully learned now. Test the key. The smart function of the key is working as expected. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful.